I just found the new best way to start print on demand with $0. People are making thousands of dollars every single week doing this, so we're going to be using free and simple AI tools along with a free print on demand platform, and we're going to take it to the next level with automated personalization. This can be set up in the next 24 hours and you can begin with $0. And today I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can start and turn this into a profitable business. The platform that we're using today is called Printify, and they launched something that changed everything for print on demand sellers. It's a completely free personalization suite. This means buyers can now upload their own photos, they can add names, pick fonts, and do it all instantly and automated on your behalf. This is the most complete and simple personalization tool that I've seen for print on demand, and it's 100% free to use. So if you want to follow along with me today, I have dropped a link down below in the description so you can activate your free Printify account. That way you can test it out alongside me here today. Over on Printify, there are thousands of products that you can personalize and have printed and shipped directly to your customers. Now, the top products for personalization are sweatshirts, t-shirts, and mugs. In today's video, we're going to be doing t-shirts and we're going to be doing the comfort colors 1717. And just for a little bit of inspiration, you can see that the global personalized gift market was valued at $30 billion in 2023, and it's projected to rise to $53 billion by 2032. So let's get you a slice of this billion-dollar industry, and we are going to be setting this up today with a Printify Pop Up Store, which is 100% free to set up. I know a lot of people in my community have expressed that they don't want to do Etsy, or for some reason they've been suspended from Etsy, or they don't want to pay the new $29 fee to get set up with Etsy. So we're going to do the Printify pop-up shop today. So with the pop-up shop and the new personalization suite, customers can do custom fonts, they can upload their images, they can preview the design instantly, and they can add multiple layers to create a really unique item. So let's go ahead and set up the pop-up shop. All you have to do is name your store. So whatever you want your store name to be right there, you're going to get your own URL. You agree to the terms and service, and then you can see that you're going to get this free website all in one, so you get the printing, the shipping, and the customer support. There is even zero fees, and you will receive your earnings monthly. Once you've done all that, you can go ahead and click continue, and you can customize your store. I'm just going to go with clean white today and click launch. Then we can click on my products, and we can start with one of their recommended t-shirts or go ahead and browse all products. I'm going to start with the comfort colors 1717 t-shirt that sells really well. Then we can scroll down and select a fulfillment option. You can either have Printify choose or choose manually. I always go with choose manually, and I either select Monster Digital or Swift POD. We're just going to go ahead and go with Monster Digital because right now they have the top rating 9.4. I've used them a lot and they are fantastic. Average production time is just 1 day, and we're going to go ahead and click start designing. So the first thing that we need to do is get the dimensions for our design for our t-shirt. Then over on Canva, we type in our custom dimensions and create new design. So before we get our design going, we need some inspiration first. So I'm going to pop over to Etsy and get personalized t-shirt design inspo. Now, something that has done really well for me is actually professions. So for example, personalized nurse shirt. So we can scroll through and see this is a bestseller, this is a bestseller, popular now. And so these are nurse shirts with individual names that can be personalized. So what I would like to do is do what I call the hybrid method, where I take 2 different listings that are bestsellers and use that as inspiration to make a unique design. Let's say we like this one on the left hand side here, where it's like a stethoscope with a heartbeat and it has a nurse's name there. And we can scroll and see what else we see here. here. And then we have this one with the little medical logo and the name. So I'm going to take a combination of those elements and make a totally unique design. So for this, I'm going to use Creative Fabrica to get a design. So as you can see, I just went over here and typed in RN, and a ton of different nurse style designs actually popped up. And I like this one. And as you can see, it says commercial and full POD usage allowed. Make sure that you always read the licensing information so that you know that you have proper licensing to actually print that on t-shirts to be sold. Then I load it onto my Canva template, and what I'm going to do from here is just adjust the size a little bit and make sure that I download it with a transparent background. So PNG transparent background download. Now we are back over inside of Printify, and we are going to go ahead and upload our design and also add personalization. So here we have the personalization element. We're going to click personalizable text, add that on here, change the text color to white, personalize it over here and say nurse name. So your buyer will be able to type in whatever nurse name that they want for their shirt. Now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to change the font style. We're going to do handwriting. We're just going to select that top one there, shrink this down a tiny bit and put this in the top right corner here. And then we will upload our design that we got from Creative Fabrica, and we made a transparent background with the right size in Canva. So once that's loaded up, we can just shrink it down a little bit and put it over here in the corner. Once that looks good, we can go ahead and preview the design right here. And we can see what it will look on a mock-up, and if anything needs adjusting, you can go back and edit it here. And then we can save the product once you're happy with that. We can use Printify's built-in AI tool to help optimize the listing with the title, description, and the tags. Then it is loaded up and ready to be personalized by your customer, printed, packed, and shipped by Printify. Next, if you want to know how to get traffic to your Printify pop-up store, be sure to pop over to my YouTube channel. You can click on my playlist for Facebook Performance Bonus and Facebook Content Monetization and learn how to grow an audience on Facebook at rapid fire pace so that you can get your items in front of new buyers. With a theme page related to whatever niche that you are creating products about. For example, here is a page about a hospice nurse, which would make a great page where you could share nurse-related content and also print-on-demand products. And here's why personalization matters when it comes to print on demand. People will always pay more when something feels sentimental and completely theirs. When buyers can make it personal, the perceived value doubles, and so do your profits. This is perfect for gift-based stores. Think weddings, anniversaries, pet photos, family names, holidays, the list absolutely goes on. And emotional purchases lead to a lot of repeat buyers. People will keep coming back again and again, year after year, to purchase gifts from you. So if you're ready to start offering personalized print-on-demand products that can turn into an automated business for $0 to start, be sure to activate your free Printify account by clicking the link directly below this video. It's 100% free, and you can have this all set up literally within the next 24 hours and be ready to rock and roll for this holiday season. And if you love this topic and you're excited to learn more about it, I'm going to link my full playlist on how to use Printify directly down below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe because I have tons more free tutorials coming in the future. So once you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, you'll make sure that you never miss a brand new video. So make it an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.